Hey you guys, it's your girl Shameka aka Subwaytatted. Welcome to my channel. This video is about 11 important things you will need to start sewing. How can I teach you guys how to sew without telling you guys the tool that you will need? Yesterday I stopped by Walmart and picked up a cheap, affordable sewing kit. This kit costs $8. This kit is a friendly beginner sewing kit. Let's jump right into the video. Number 1 is scissors. Number 2, tomato pin cushion. Number 3, tape measure. Number 4, a tracing wheel. Number 5, a ruler. Number 6, a seam ripper. Number 7, a pencil for you can do your markings. Number 8, a Thimble. Number 9, a pack of needles. Number 10, tracing paper. Number 11, pins. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and also like. Give the video a thumbs up and ring the bell. And I'll see you guys next time for another sewing video. Later.